R's for your numeracy class. How have you been? And how have you been, adults in the room? Yes, I always think about you and appreciate that you bring the children to our class. For today's lesson, you will need the following. Pegs, yes, washing pegs, a piece of string or wool or ribbon, whatever you can tie to two pieces so that we can use it with the pegs. You'll see later what we're going to do with it in our activity. If you can please go and get that for us, that will be fantastic. If you don't have that with you at the moment, not a problem. You are always welcome in our class. Then I will just ask you, children, to participate. When we do something in our activity, count with and enjoy it. Now, where's my stars? Stand up. Where's my grade R stars? There you are. Remember that this week I'm paying tribute to you. We are making a star by following with our eyes. With our eyes we are following the nail of the thumb. Can you see? So keep your eyes fixed on your nail. Reach forward. Stand comfortably, feet a little bit apart. And now I want you to follow your thumb as it goes up and as it goes down. Up and down. Can you do that? Join in. Give it a go. Now I'm going to start counting while you are following your thumb. I'm going to count from 1 to 4 and thereafter 4 to 1. If you can keep your eye on your thumbnail, join in and count with me. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Backwards. 4, 3, eyes on the nail. 2, 1, and 1 extra one. Just 4, just because you can. Now let's swap our hands. If you used your one hand, now do it with your other hand. Thumb out. Keep your eyes on the thumb. Almost like you show somebody thumbs up. And keep your eyes on the thumbs. And now we're going to start counting. Join in. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and backwards. 4, 3, 2, and 1. That was excellent, my class. Now that you are becoming so good with slowly building a star, can you remember how your mindfulness position of your body and hands should be? I'm going to slowly do it. You do it as well as we prepare for our mindfulness. Cross the legs. Tongue to the roof, top of your mouth. And and breathe. And following that, your activity. Now that you have what we need for our next activity, we can get started. Can you see that I have brought to our class a piece of string that I've tied to the left side, and I've tied the string onto the right side. So, ask the adults at home how they can help you to put up your string. And you have some pigs. How many did you bring to class today? Let's count them together. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to keep counting, 5, 6, 7 and 8 pigs. You remember our splashing in the sea song? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes! So I know that we are now in this term of the school year. We are focusing on number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So for now we're going to say goodbye to you, but we'll play with you later, pigs. Bye. So, I want you now to do the following sum. What do you get when you take 1 pig? Let's make some space. And you add. Can you see this is a plus sign? It means you are adding. And you are adding, let's say, 3 pigs. So that means you have 1 pig. And now we are adding 3 more pigs. How many pigs do we have? Can you remember what sign we use in mathematics to make sums with? Yes, the equal. So equal to means that now we want the answer. So when you see the equal to sign, it means now we're going to give the answer to the sum. So can you work out what 1 pig plus 3 pigs gives us how many pigs? You are so clever. Well done. But let's count together. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That means we have 4 pigs. And here comes my number 4. 4 pigs. So we normally write, and you'll do this next year in grade 1, but we normally write down and across with that little line. We don't join the 4 right at the top like this, number 4. But I want to show you this 4 because you will see it in newspapers, magazines, on the keyboard, on the TV, so that you can still know that although you will not write a 4 like this, it still is a number 4. Let's now put our pig, 1 pig, on the string. 1 plus, how many? How many is this, my class? 3. Yes, that means you have to now put 3 pigs on, like that. Let me just straighten out that pig. How many? If we add 1 plus 3, how many do we have? Let's count them and move them to the right of the equal to. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, and 4 pigs. So can you see, my grade R children, that you can even use pigs to count? So to count by moving the pig on the string. Now I want you to take the pigs off and put them with your right hand back to the beginning. 1, where we started, plus 3. I want you to put 3 pigs by removing it and placing it close to but above the number 3. In this way, we are practicing our fingers and our hands. But that means that I have to now call the pigs that I think feels a bit lonely. Remember, we asked them to just move to the side, but I'm going to call them. Pigs, where are you? We need 4 pigs because our answer is equal to 4. Here comes the first pig. Hello, I will give you the answer. I will also help you. I love sums. Oh, you are so excited to be back, pigs. Keep quiet, come. Stand still. I love mathematics. I love it. climb on the string. Can you see, my class, that now we have one pig? We have added plus. Take a look at the plus again. Plus 3 pigs. And that gives us equals to, let's spread them out that you can see them, equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. I must say I've enjoyed today's class so much. For your homework, go and count pigs on your piece of string. Yes, put some pigs on, take some pigs off, and do simple sums with your pigs on the string. A big thank you to the organizations and sponsors that are making this possible. Be sure to bring the following for our next class: a newspaper, an empty toilet roll, a pair of scissors, your glue, and your rainbow color crayons for our activity. And now, children, let's stand up and sing our special song together and say goodbye. Join in.